What's up, peeps? Thanks for joining me. My name's Damon Warren, and on this channel, I share my tech information and I go on adventures. Today, doing an unboxing of the Insta360 ONE R. So what is the Insta360 ONE R? So what is the Insta360 ONE R? It's an action camera and it does 360. So let's open it up. So here we have it, the Insta360 ONE R. So as you can see, first thing that jumps out in the package, it's kind of broken apart because it's modular. You got these little pieces that you can put together like Legos, right? If you like Legos, I love Legos, man. Legos are awesome, right? First part you got is your battery. You can get different batteries. They have larger ones, professional ones. Okay, next part up here is your main module. It's got a touch screen, little speaker, the light, your SD card goes right here on the side, your power, and your record button. So this is kind of like the main brain right here. Then you have your different modules. So this is the action cam module, the 4K. It's got what they call flow state, which levels out. So if you're doing the action shots, it keeps everything nice and straight and steady. One of the things that why I really got it, not only does it have the screen, I can turn the main module around so the screen is forward facing and it just pulls apart, and then I flip it and pushes back together. So I get the option of flipping the screen if I want to have it face towards me or away from me. So that's the 4K module. Then the next part is the 360 module. So basically the 360, there's a 180 lens on one side, 180 on the other side, takes a picture simultaneously, you get the 360. And you'll see these little power connectors here. So power connector, and it snaps down in there. There's actually a latch right here that you use to latch and unlatch the battery. One of the things I like about it, another lens that you can get for this, which is a 1-inch sensor lens, and it's a Leica, and it's supposed to be really nice. So this gives me, it's not just a one-trick pony, it's not just stuck on doing 360. I got my action cam, I can upgrade it, I can get a bigger battery. There's a lot of different options. There's even a vertical battery, so then I can mount it horizontal or vertical. So what else do we have in the package? We've got this little container right here, so let's pull that out. So here's the USB charge cable, USB, USB-C. What else we got in this packet? Got your quick start guide, your other books, warranty. Got a nice cleaning cloth right there, keep your lenses clean. Stickers right there. I'll show you guys what I want to do with my stickers. And this is a little bag. Now, if you ever get packages and you see these little containers and they look like, it always says don't eat them. Don't eat them. It actually absorbs moisture. So what you can do, you save this bag. They tell you to save this bag and these little packets. So when this gets wet, you can put it in here in this bag with these packets, and these packets absorb the moisture, making sure all your connectors are good. So even though it's waterproof, and it's waterproof when it's inside your case right here, and this case is to make sure if you're going in the water, like if you're just using it regular, you can like this, but I will keep it in the case all the time. It's got your action mount on the bottom. This is a lens cover for your 360, so you can slide that right on top and it protects both lenses. Everything you need is in here and ready to go. The software was definitely one of the things that got me into, I was looking at a lot of things on Instagram and I was like, wow, how are they doing that stuff? So 5K 360 capture, 4K wide angle, flow state stabilization, that keeps everything nice and level. Like, it's the best stabilization that I've seen. It's waterproof to 5 meters, so that's 16.4 feet here in the States. Auto frame, auto edit. This has a tracking ability, so when you're in the 360 or you're using the 4K camera, you can basically double tap on the subject and it will keep that subject in frame. Hyperlapse, that's pretty standard on all action cameras. Voice control, you got 8 times slow motion and you got 4 times slow motion in 360. You've got HDR photo and video, and then it's got a night shot, so you can get those star trails and different things. So it's very versatile, and that is the Insta360. I will probably be using the 360 the most. Looking forward to having some fun. You know, have you ever used any 360 cameras? Are you interested in them? Are there any questions that you have about this Insta360? Let me know down in the comments. Remember, take care of each other, peace out, and I'll see you all soon. All around the world.